Good morning to all students. So today our lecture is digestive system of insect grasshopper. So first of all, the digestive system of grasshopper is divided into three main reasons. Like insect is divided into three reasons: head, thorax, and abdomen. So in abdomen region, there is a digestive system is present. So digestive system is also divided into three reasons. First reason is foregut, second reason is midgut, and third reason is hindgut. So, the digestive system of grasshopper is also known as a alimentary tract. So, in foregut system, there is a different types of structures are present in midgut structure also and in hindgut structure also. First of all, in foregut structure. So, in foregut structure, first thing is present mouth, labium, labrum, and preoral cavity. So, in a mouth, there is a two types of lips are present: upper lips and lower lip. So, first lip is labium, upper lip, and second lip is labrum is lower lip. Then esophagus, hypopharynx, pharynx region, salivary gland, crop region, all are parts of foregut region. So the main parts of is present in foregut region is labrum, labium, mouth, esophagus, hypopharynx, pharynx, salivary gland, and crop region. So second, midgut region. So main structures in midgut regions are gastric cecum, gastric cecum, Malpighian tubules, stomatial valve, and ventriculus. So Malpighian tubule are boundary of both midgut and hindgut region. The Malpighian tubules are act as a boundary between the midgut and hindgut region. So Malpighian tubules are structure present in both regions as well as hindgut and as well as in midgut. So in hindgut region structures are main structures are anus region and rectum region. So in next, first of all, the digestive system is just like a tube within a surrounding tube called the body. It starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है स्टार्ट करेगा माउथ से एंड जो एंड अप होगा वो होगा एनल रीजन से. So, according to the different insects, the digestive system is of different types, also digestive system structure and also its types. First, in caterpillar, crop region and midgut region, butterfly, crop, midgut. In all insects are different types of digestive system is present. Digestive system. Mainly, digestive system is present in both as well as humans and in insect. So digestive system is involved in obtaining food, mechanically breaking it down into smaller particles that facilitate digestive enzyme acting on them. Enzymatic breakdown of larger food molecules. Next, produces molecules or messengers. The coordinate feeding and other activities of the digestive tract. Next, digestive system, generalized structure of digestive tract, ingestion, salivary glands, kypharial pump. So main reasons are foregut, midgut and hindgut. So first reason is foregut. Foregut starts at mouth and ends just after the proventriculars but before the cardiac sphincter. So first of all, foregut reason is start from mouth and end just the proventriculars. Little or no digestion occur in the foregut region. There is no digestion occur in the foregut region. Foregut region is only for taking of food. It is mainly involved in ingestion of food and mechanically softening it with a salivary secretion. In some insects, it has a dilated structure called the crop, while in other insects, this crop may be diverticulate and connected by a crop duct. The salivary glands empty into the foregut or mouth area depending upon the insect. This is a foregut structure. Preoral cavity, pharynx region, esophagus, crop, proventricular. So here the end of the foregut region. Function of salivary gland. Salivary gland moisten the food, lubricate the mouth, digestive enzyme, amylase, complex sugar into many contain enzyme amylase which breaks down complex sugar into simpler sugar. Digestive enzyme that are used by both predatory insects that inject the saliva or pre-oral digestion that occurs in some insects. Midgut region. Midgut region contain different cell types. Midgut region start with ventriculus and end up with Malpighian tubules. Pyloric sphincter. Digestive cells, regenerative cells, endocrine cells, and goblet cells. Midgut has a sleeve of tissues called peritrophic envelope or matrix that cover the microvilli. So this is a midgut structure starting from the gastric cecum and end up with the peritrophic membrane. Next is hindgut. Hindgut is a major refuse dumping area for waste products from midgut and Malpighian tubule in insects that feed on dilute food such as plant sap or blood. The hindgut is involved in getting rid of excessive water and also in housing symbiotes that use these waste products to produce substance that insect needs. Hindgut water absorption from the fecus into the hemolymph, pheromone production and respiration in larva. So hindgut and its symbiote, because of the following food insects have relied upon, have taken up symbiotes to either aid on digestion of molecules. Termites and digestion of cellulose, insects feeding on blood or on plant sap. So this is all about the digestive system of the insect.